put this new bird feeder out to get the gold finches. And finally, a goldfinch shows up. I just bought this bird feeder today, and I filled it with sunflower seeds, and I told Mom that was my goal. And there it is. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh. Let me be real quiet so you can listen to it. I could put it in my bird book. I have a bird book with every bird that comes in this backyard only. I get to put, it's telling all its friends and family, look what I found, guys, look what I found, sunflower seeds, come and join me. I wish I'd jump down there. Come on, buddy, jump down there and eat. What a beautiful bird. Go down there and eat. There it goes. Oh my God. How beautiful. Go ahead and get your sunflower seed out, buddy. I think he's kind of scared. She's scared. They've never been in this backyard. So they're like watching the area first. Let's get the sunflower seed. Oh my goodness, so adorable. Be sure to hit like on this video, guys. Woohoo!